tends to think that the entire government bureaucracy is sclerotic. Something is wrong somewhere, everywhere. They conduct it in such a way as to make it scandalous. And you lose all sense of neutrality. You sense that these people are already against the person they're investigating.
So Vice President Binay is right.
He could be very well right, but
Okay.
that is not a basis for him to say, I will not participate because they've prejudged me.
In other words, when pagkatapos nitong hearing ng Senate, hindi naman magsasabi na sino ang tama at sino mali.
Right.
Sino ang magsasabi noon? Yung publiko.
Ang publiko.
Ayun.
Kasi magagawa lang at the very worst.
Kung hindi mag-appear si Vice President Binay sa Senado,
Ang narinig lang yung nakakasama sa kanya.
Oo.
Hindi naririnig ngayon yung